Wisdom, one plumber.
Yeah, pleasant greetings, my people. So, there upon a liquor job, as you see, I go tear down the countertop base here, replace it with something new fashion, new. So everything I get tear out and put in something new. So I'm just take you through the process, right? So we can actually see what's happening among the people. So, so just remove base need. Just loosen the waist underneath so you can pull out and remove the flex tube. I have unscrewed the flex tube already, so just remove the waist. Alright, safety glasses on. Voila. Remove the upper basin. Put it aside. Safety glasses on. Alright, you realize it's just falling apart, people. I love the way. Alright, so the old basin and the counter have been removed. So this is the new one we're going to be putting in. So I'm just going to unwrap it. Alright. So this is the one that we're going to be putting in place. So what I've done is just square it up with the wall, and I'm going to join the area where I'm going to cut to align the waist. Alright, so I'm going to cut that, and well, I arrange that, then cut it, and make see what go on with people. So the pipe here, so just measuring from the back wall to see the amount of space, because it has to flush against the wall. So find the center where the pipe would line up. So we're going to just bore one hole, a pilot hole, so we can use the jigsaw to cut it out. Alright, so I'm going to line it up with the hole now. Lift it a little. So if you were wondering what type of screws you use to secure the basin stand to the wall, it is actually blue screws. Alright. So the basis stand is fully secured now in place. Catch us in the next video for part 2 basin installation.